How to access Samsung TV service menu. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to access the service menu on your Samsung TV safely and easily. Step 1. Turn off your Samsung TV. Make sure your TV is completely off, not just on standby. Step 2. Use the remote to enter the service menu. Press the following buttons on your remote in this order, quickly. Info, Menu, Mute, Power. Note, on some models, the sequence might be Mute, 1 greater than 8, 2 Power. Step 3. Wait for the TV to turn on. The TV will turn on and display the service menu. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate through options. Step 4. Make changes carefully. Only adjust settings if you know what you're doing. Avoid changing critical options like firmware settings or hardware calibration unless instructed. Step 5. Exit the service menu. Press the power button to turn off the TV, then turn it back on normally. Your TV will boot up with the normal settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and TV tutorials.